guys! Today we went to Phuket Elephant Nature Reserve, which is about 30 minutes from Bang Tao Surin Beach area. We paid 1,200 Thai baht per person for a short 90-minute elephant tour. We got our own personal guide and we were in a small group. It was me and my husband and another family of 4. Perfect size for our group. Here is us feeding the elephants. We are getting a demonstration on how to cut sugarcane and what is in an elephant's diet. Here is me trying to cut sugarcane, which is kind of hard.
I don't think I'm very good at cutting sugarcane.
And as you can see, I'm finally getting the hang of it. Took a few tries, but it was honestly a fun experience getting to chop up corn, bananas, sugarcane, cucumbers, everything into a little basket to head over and feed some elephants. This elephant was named Ruby, and the one next to Ruby was Bolt. There is no touching, no riding, no bathing, nothing with the elephants. It is just feed and observe. And all these elephants have been rescued from riding camps around the Phuket area. This is an ethical sanctuary. Riding and bathing and sitting on elephants is not ethical. We chose this place because of it being ethical, and it's just to observe. We had a great time, learned lots of things about elephants, and had an amazing adventure together.